Did you know you can make your drawings float? This is an easy science experiment. There's a few little supplies that you need that you probably have already laying around your house. All you need is dry erase markers, glass bowl, water, and spoon. That is it to have fun with this little science experiments. Now, we did a couple attempts just to show you what works and what does not work. Now, the first attempt was we took the little drawing we drew on the back of the spoon and we dipped it in the water. I had a little measuring cup that was pouring my water. It did not work. I poured the water onto the drawing on the plate. That did not work. Now what you want to do to have this be successful is, first of all, don't use a plate. That was my first mistake. You do not want to use a plate. You do want to stay with glass and try to use glass so you can see through it, and it's better to use glass. So you want to have something deep, like a big bowl. I just had little small glass bowls, so that's what we end up converting to later on in this video. You'll see that. Now for the dry erase marker situation, my dry erase markers is old. I mean, like old school. So you want to go probably to Dollar Tree and get you some new dry erase markers. I had one that we actually was able to get to work. Now this is attempt number 2. We used a bowl, we used a dry spoon, and you draw on the back of the spoon and you slowly put it down in the water and pull it back out and it will float. Your drawings will float. Now we tried the smiley face, little harder drawings. We didn't have much success with that. And we always had success with ones that we connected or made, like bubble letters and stuff like that, like full on drawings that was colored in. That was where it worked at the most. So right here you can see this is fun. We all had fun for hours. I'm not even going to lie. We sat here at the table for at least an hour and a half. We had so much fun with water, dry erase markers, a spoon, and a bowl. That's all we did, and we had so much fun. If you have a lot of kids, they're going to really enjoy doing this together. We've done this for a long time. We had fun. So, yes, try this. If you've not tried this, you need to try this because this is so much fun. And it's educational, too. They're learning, like a little science experiment. Also, they can draw. They can also do what I did with my daughter. My daughter is currently learning how to spell her name, right? So I started making letters of the alphabet and I started spelling out her name and we recognized them. And then like when she'd say them, she'd pull them out of the water. And it was just so fun. So if you're looking for fun, little inexpensive activities to do at home with probably products that you got laying around your house, then I highly recommend trying this dry erase marker experiment. Now you can see I took the K for her name. Her name's Kaylee. And voila, we have a floating K. Now it gets kind of tricky. It gets kind of tricky if you're not. You gotta do it on a time here. You gotta pull the spoon out slowly. Don't let it get attached to the spoon. And once it comes off, and this is fun. This is really fun. We have a successful K. I don't know why I made the little stars because it just looked like little floating whatever in the water. I ended up taking those out later, but I have an A. This was just so fun, and it's a fun learning activity, especially if you want to do the alphabet, numbers, and you don't have to just do little drawings. You can do, literally, you could do your letters in here, and then you could do your numbers and do, 1 + 1 equals, and then put a 2 over there. You can just do so many different things in this little water activity, and it was fun. It was fun. Make sure you follow along, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned because I'm going to be doing a lot of fun science experiments with my daughter now that she's older and we do homeschool preschool. I have a lot of homeschool preschool videos up if you want to go check those out as well. We just have fun and we try to make learning as fun as possible.